Plant FAQs, Tradescantia Tricolor. The allure of Tradescantia Tricolor. A cascading beauty for your home. There's a certain magic to houseplants. They bring life, color, and a touch of the outdoors into our living spaces. But with so many varieties to choose from, finding the perfect one can be overwhelming. For me, the search ended with the Tradescantia Tricolor. This captivating plant, with its cascading vines adorned with vibrantly striped leaves, stole my heart. It wasn't just the stunning visuals, it was the sheer ease of care that truly sealed the deal. See more 86 species in genus Tradescantia at monsteraholic.com. Hailing from the tropical and subtropical regions of the Americas, Tradescantia Tricolor, also known as Wandering Jew, though this term is considered offensive by some, is a herbaceous perennial. But its true beauty lies in its foliage. The long, slender leaves boast a mesmerizing tricolor pattern, a captivating blend of green, creamy white, and a subtle hint of pink, which intensifies with brighter light. These cascading vines can grow up to several feet long, making them ideal for hanging baskets or shelves. They even have a trailing habit, allowing them to elegantly drape over the edge of a pot. Tradescantia Tricolor versus Nanouk. I find Tradescantia Tricolor's vibrant mix of pink, green, and white leaves more striking and dynamic compared to Nanouk, although Nanouk's pastel hues have a softer appeal that's calming in a different way. Tradescantia Tricolor versus Quadricolor. Personally, I lean towards Tradescantia Tricolor for its intricate blend of colors that seem to change with the light, whereas Tradescantia Quadricolor's distinct blocks of color are visually appealing but don't quite match the dynamic feel of Tricolor in my opinion. Why you'll love Tradescantia Tricolor. There are many reasons to fall in love with Tradescantia Tricolor. Here are just a few. Easy care. This plant is a dream for beginner plant parents. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and requires watering only when the topsoil feels dry to the touch. Fast growing. Tradescantia Tricolor is a fast grower, readily filling out pots and adding a lush presence to your space. Propagation made easy. Sharing the beauty of this plant is simple. Stem cuttings readily root in water, allowing you to easily propagate new plants. How to care for Tradescantia Tricolor. Bringing out the best in your Tradescantia Tricolor is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Light. Aim for bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil dries out. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. Opt for a mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a light application of balanced fertilizer once a month can be beneficial. However, this isn't strictly necessary for healthy growth. How to propagate Tradescantia Tricolor. Sharing the beauty of your Tradescantia Tricolor is as easy as taking a cutting. Here's how. Choose a healthy stem with several nodes, the bumps where leaves emerge. Using sharp, sterilized scissors, cut a stem section about 4 to 6 inches long. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a few nodes exposed. Place the cutting in a glass of water, ensuring the nodes are submerged. Position the glass in a location with bright, indirect sunlight. Within a week or two, you should see roots developing. Once the roots reach an inch or so in length, the cutting is ready for planting in a pot with fresh potting mix. Where to buy Tradescantia Tricolor. Finding your own Tradescantia Tricolor is a breeze. They're widely available at local nurseries, garden centers, and even some big box stores. You can also find them online from reputable plant retailers. What to plant with Tradescantia Tricolor. The cascading nature of Tradescantia Tricolor makes it a perfect companion for other houseplants. Here are a few suggestions. Pothos. The lush foliage of pothos complements the vibrant colors of Tradescantia Tricolor beautifully. Snake plant. The architectural form of the snake plant provides a striking contrast to the trailing vines of Tradescantia Tricolor. ZZ plant. Both low-maintenance wonders, Tradescantia Tricolor and ZZ plant thrive in similar conditions, making them a harmonious duo. With its captivating beauty and easygoing nature, Tradescantia Tricolor is a must-have for any plant enthusiast. So, bring a touch of cascading charm and vibrant color into your home today.